Hey, I'm out here today doing a home tour of a cute little home in Quiet Medical Lake. Come take a look with me. Here's the front of the house. There's actually a church over there. You can see great neighbors. Quiet living in downtown Medical Lake. Here's off to the side. There's a storage shed right there in the back. A fully fenced yard. Just taking a look down the street, all the neighbors. Let's go inside. Looks like they got new bark. And you couldn't see it, but the roof looks like it's in good shape. You walk in, we got new flooring. This looks like a coat closet right here. Storage closet anyway. And right here on the right is the kitchen. You got a spot for laundry. Closet area. Right behind this door is the water heater. So they have baseboard heaters. This is the living room. You go out to the garage. It's a one-car garage. I'm just gonna take my shoes off. You can kind of see the backyard from here. All fenced. This is the bathroom. Got the toilet around the corner here. And a shower. With the tub. Gotta have that tub. And we've actually got 3 bedrooms back here. This one is probably the largest. Sliding door to the back. And 2 other bedrooms right here. Want to head out to the backyard. Yeah, look at that yard. Covered patio area. Just putting my shoes back on. There we go. Cute little place. Quiet Medical Lake.